Nikki here, and today what we're going to do is talk about why it's important to have life insurance. So I wanted to actually go into more detail. I recently just posted a TikTok and a reel on this subject. So if you're on TikTok, go ahead and maybe I need to. Hey squad, No Limit Nikki here, and today what we're going to do is talk about why it's important to get life insurance. So I just recently posted a video on TikTok, and I just recently posted a video on TikTok and Instagram. So if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me. But I'm actually going to go into more detail about Hey squad, No Limit Nikki here. So today what we're going to do is talk about why it's important to have life insurance. So I actually just posted a TikTok and a reel on Instagram. So if you're not following me, go ahead. Hey, ever wonder why life insurance is so important? Here are 3 quick reasons why you should consider it. Life insurance ensures that your family is financially protected even when you're not around. With life insurance, you can have a peace of mind knowing that your loved ones will be taken care of. Life insurance is more affordable than you think, and you can tailor it to fit your needs and budget. So what are you waiting for? Protect your family today. Follow me for more tips on securing your life and your loved one's future. Go ahead and go to your TikTok and look for No Limit Nikki and follow me. And you can follow me on Instagram at nolimit.nikki. So NOLIMIT.Nikki, NIKKI, for just informational videos. But most importantly, I just want to educate. And then also, I'm on my weight loss journey as well, so I'll be posting that. But yes, I figured, okay, I just posted this reel. Let me come on here and actually go into more detail as far as why it's important to have life insurance. So number 1, life insurance ensures that your family is protected even when you're not around. So what do we mean by that? Well, of course, life insurance is when you die, because we're all going to die. We just don't know when we're going to die, right? So when you die, with the life insurance policy and whoever you designate as your beneficiary, you can leave a large sum of money to them. So that way they can continue to pay the bills, and they can have final expense coverage in place as well. So it's just very important to go ahead and make sure that you get life insurance, especially if you are young. If you are older, just understand, or if you have that mentality, oh, life insurance is for when I get older. I'll get it when I, get older and have kids and grandkids. Then you're doing yourself a disservice, because it's actually cheaper to get life insurance while you're younger and you're in good health. If you wait to get life insurance when you're older, 9 times out of 10, well, first of all, the premium is going to be more than what it was if, let's just say, you're 60 years old, or even you're 50 or you're 40 years old. If you would have got it when you was 25, you would have been able to get a good amount of coverage but pay less for it. So let's just say you're 40, 50 years old and you want a $50,000 policy. If you're around 50 years old and you want a $50,000 policy, it is probably going to be double the amount if you was 25 years of age. Also, another factor is, what about your health? Some people are not in good health when they get older, and so life insurance is based off of your health. So if you are on dialysis, with my company, you're uninsurable. If you are on oxygen, with my company, you're uninsurable. You can't get it. Even if you're taking insulin, depending on the dosage, it's a possibility that you may be declined. Now, you will definitely fall into that rated risk category, which is like a special risk. So you will get approved, but you're probably not going to be able to get approved with the coverage amount that you want. So that's why it's just very important to get it. But what are the benefits? So you can get final expense coverage, which is typically going to be a permanent plan, which is whole life. And you can get a final expense coverage to take care of your funeral expenses, either whether or not you want to get cremated or buried. You guys, that costs money. It's not like a cremation costs $2,000 or $3,000. No, it's going to cost money. And also it will cost money later down the road. So you have to think about that. Like, I know right now everybody is like, the food is going up, and gas prices are up, everything is up. Well, just imagine how much it's going to be in the next 10 or 15 years. It's still going to increase, especially burying somebody. It is a business, you guys, point blank, period. When you die, you have to pay for the embalming. You have to pay for, like, let's just say if somebody want to get cremated, you have to pay for all that. You have to pay for the urn. When you want to get buried, there's the funeral services, the casket, you name it, you're going to have to pay for that. And so I'll probably go into more detail. Not probably, I will go into more detail as far as how much everything costs. What I'll do is comment below if you want me to go to a funeral home. Maybe I can go to a funeral home and sit down with one of the funeral directors. I'll see. Okay, so number 2, with life insurance, you can have a peace of mind knowing that your family is taken care of. What do we mean by that? Leaving behind a large sum of money. Now, to replace your income. So some people use term insurance. So for final expenses, you definitely want to make sure you have whole life. Whole life is for your whole life. It's never going to cancel or expire. But term insurance will. So let's just say you are middle age and you have a family, but God forbid you die. You still want to make sure that you have a large plan in place in the event if you die if you are middle age, you still want to make sure that you have a large plan in place in the event if you die. Because guess what? If you are the breadwinner and you die, then how's your family going to continue to pay the bills? Your income is going to be lost. Like they was solely depending on your income, but you are not physically here. And you're definitely not working if you're not physically breathing, right? So you definitely want to leave a large sum of money behind. So that way your family can continue to pay the bills. That way your spouse can continue to put food on the table. Definitely want to make sure you leave a large sum of money. And most people use a term policy for this because they know that it will expire at one point in time. However, it really depends on your pockets. You are able to get as much whole life coverage as you can that is affordable at that point in time. And then you can always add on. You can also get term insurance. I believe in having a combination of both, to be completely honest with you. But just always remember, term policies will expire. Most people do outlive it. And also term policies does not accumulate cash value. So just know that you're just paying monthly for a policy in the event if you was to die within that term. And then that's when the company, depending on the company, they will pay out the claim. That doesn't mean they're going to pay out the full amount. So it really depends on the company as well. So do your research. Okay, and third, life insurance is more affordable than what you think. You can basically tailor around your budget and your needs, right? So many people think life insurance costs too much. No, it's based off of what is affordable for you. You may not at this point in time can afford to pay $100 a month right now. If you really break that down, that's $25 a week, you guys. And so it's all about budgeting properly. So let's take a look at your budget. You look at your budget and look at your bank account and see exactly your transactions and where's that going. I know now everybody is swiping. So many people are swiping. Nobody knows how to balance a checkbook. I don't even think a lot of people know exactly what a checkbook looks like. So maybe I'm telling my age, but I know what a checkbook looks like. And so it's just all about managing your finances properly. Let's just say $100 a month, that's $25 a week. Spending all your money on McDonald's, which you don't need to, because that's why if you're eating out 2 or 3 times a week, you definitely need to stop that. You can save your money by not eating out, by cooking. Also, you're going to lose weight because 9 times out of 10, you're overweight if you're eating out all the time and you're not exercising, things of that nature, which actually can cause your premium to be high. So let's just say a company actually approved you, but you are obese. Your height to weight ratio is not good. They can actually say, hey, Sam, hey, Sarah, You know, your height to weight ratio is outside of the normal for us. So we will still insure you with the coverage that you requested on your application, but you're just going to have to pay a little bit more for that. And there's nothing that you can do or say. So you just have to decide exactly what is important to you. Is your family important to you? Because at the end of the day, when you're dead, your family is going to have to continue to pay the bills. They're going to continue to live. So do you want to leave your family with zero? So no, I highly recommend something is better than nothing. And whoever you talk to, whether it's me or another life insurance agent, make sure that they cater to your needs and make sure that they help you find the best program that fits you and your family. All right, good people. So we're going to wrap it up, but follow me for more life insurance tips and on how to protect your family. If you have any questions, please comment below, or you can contact me directly. My email is going to be in the description box. If you want to actually schedule an appointment to meet with me, I'll be more than happy appointments and we can go over it. It is absolutely free to schedule an appointment. You do not have to pay for anything. What we'll do is we'll just assess exactly your needs, and then we'll come up with which option is best for you. All right, squad. So do me a favor. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. That just lets me know that you are enjoying my content. And then subscribe to this channel and follow me on all social media as well. And if you have a question and I was not able to address your question, leave a comment below. Make sure you share this video to whoever you think it will help them, not only them, but their family as well. You guys, we have to protect everybody. We have to protect ourselves and our family. So let's protect one family at a time, okay? So I will see you in the next one. And yes, make sure that you be kind to whoever, make sure you be kind to the next one. Let's just actually, right now we are in everybody to just be kind to one another. Like, we need to just be kind to one another. So when you're in a grocery store, do something like even a small gesture, like holding the door or complimenting on someone, compliment on their hair, like compliment on their outfit. Like if they have a beautiful smile, say, you know what, you have a beautiful smile. Thank you for sharing your smile with me because I needed that. Like, you guys, it doesn't cost anything to be kind to one another and to just spread positivity along the way. So I just wanted to encourage somebody to do that. And if nobody has told you that, you know what? I love you. Okay. If you did not hear that today, I just wanted to let everybody know that I love you. Okay. So yes, if you can do me a favor and like this video, also share and comment below. It's just another way to support the channel. And I appreciate each and every one of you, and I will check y'all in the next one. Later, squad. Bye.